So in the engine bay, in the cover, there's a single row that has fan number 3, H-LP, and then the one to the left has fan number 2, number 1, dimmer, and then the one next to it to your left has a 15 amp, two 15 amps, 10, 10, 7.5. That's the row that's giving me 0.36, and then 1.65, 1.5, 1.4 after I try.
Okay, but hang on, time out. What are they labeled as? Give me a number or what they're labeled as. Alternator.
The row that I'm talking about says it's a 15 amp H-LPH.
Oh, that's for your headlights. I wouldn't worry about that. That wouldn't cause your engine to start.
I know, but what I'm telling you is that row of fuses, if you look at the diagram from the engine bay, that row of fuses is giving me, before I try to turn the car, 0.36. After I try to turn on the car, it gives me 1.6, 1.5.
Okay.
And everything else in there gives me 12, 12.6, 12.5, except for that row.
Don't worry about that row. I think you're looking at the wrong. I think you're barking up the wrong tree.
No, I'm just testing like you wanted me to test.
Yeah, and I'm just telling you that you checked it, and that's good. Thanks for doing that. But let's move on to something else because it's not bearing us any fruit. So let's leave it alone.
All right,
now let's go inside the vehicle and let's check battery voltage on the fuses inside the vehicle.
That's going to take me a bit because my back is not the greatest and it's kind of uncomfortable. But
Okay.
That's going to give me a little bit. I'll get back to you 5 minutes or 10.
And then what I want you to do is you can also check power in and out of the ignition switch too with your voltmeter. You'd have to gain access to the wires that go to the ignition switch. We want to make sure that it's receiving plenty of battery voltage going in and then it's sending plenty of power out. So in other words, same power coming out as going in. So
I would have to see where I would check that. But anyway, let me check the fuses first before I get to the ignition part.
That sounds good, my friend.
All right, I'll get back to you.
Sounds good.
All right, thanks.
Bye-bye.